Welcome to the Monash University Malaysia Contractor OHSE Safety Management System. All electrical wiring running across corridors and pathways should be signposted and tapped down to avoid tripping hazards. Before accessing a high-voltage substation, permission is required from Monash Malaysia project manager or project supervisor. All power to plant and equipment must be isolated or locked out and tagged prior to works being carried out, or where they pose a danger. Here is how you prepare for LOTO. First, prepare for shutdown. Firstly, identify which sources of energy are present, such as electrical, mechanical or chemical, and it must be controlled. Second, notify all affected employees. The authorized person will communicate the following information to notify affected person as per follow. 1. What or why is going to be locked and tagged out? 2. How long the system be unavailable? 3. Who is responsible for the lockout and tagout? 4. Who to contact for more information? Third, equipment shutdown. Switch electrical disconnect to the off position. Lock the disconnects into the off position. Fourth, the system's energy sources are locked out and tagged out. Fifth, verify isolation. Verify that the system is properly locked out before beginning any work. Activate the machine, equipment or process control, push buttons, switches, and observe the result. No response means isolation is verified. Return controls to the safe position. Sixth, remove lockout and tagout devices. All buildings within Monash, Malaysia are equipped with a variety of firefighting equipment, such as hose reels and fire extinguishers. You may use this equipment to put out a fire if you have been trained and you judge that it is safe to do so. Otherwise, use the break glass panel to trigger the fire alarm. Report used or damaged fire safety equipment to OHSE so that it can be replaced. You as a contractor are responsible to provide and wear your own PPE that comply with the Malaysian standard and any additional safety equipment where required. Should any contractor be found not equipped with any PPE when doing work at site, Monash supervisor and OHSE unit has the right to ask the contractor to stop work and leave immediately. Here are the example for the improper personal protective equipment from the previous contractor that we managed to capture during our supervision work. All work by contractors requires a permit to work. Work categorized as high risk will require a risk assessment to be carried out, which must be signed off by the OHSE unit. Work categorized as low risk may be signed off by the Facilities Management Safety Officer, or the school or unit's safety officer. For urgent or emergency work that requires less than 3 days of submission, the Monash supervisor may delegate the permit to work submission to the school or unit head or school lab manager.